If you are seeing Roblox error code 264 saying same account launched experience from different device, leave the experience on the other device and try again. Don't panic. In this video, I will guide you step by step to fix it. Step 1. Understand the error. This error appears when your Roblox account is already logged in on another device, browser or even another tab. Roblox doesn't allow the same account to play in multiple places at once. Step 2. Log out from all devices. Go to the Roblox website. Click on the gear icon for settings. Under security, select log out of all other session. This will instantly sign you out from every device except the one you are using. Sign back in. Step 3. Sign back in. After logging out everywhere, log back in only on the device you want to play on. Try joining the game again. Step 4. Clear Roblox cache. Sometimes old login sessions stay in your cache. On Windows plus R, type this command and delete the folder. On mobile, clear the Roblox app cache from your phone setting. Step 5. Reinstall Roblox if needed. If the problem continues, uninstall Roblox completely and reinstall it. This refreshes your game files and clear old sessions. Step 6. Secure your account. If you keep getting this error without logging in anywhere else, it might mean someone else has access to your account. Change your Roblox password. Enable two-step verification for extra security. And that's it. By following these steps, logging out from all devices, clearing cache and securing your account, you can fix Roblox error code 264 and get back to gaming smoothly. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.